These were 1 point each, all or nothing. So first question is just targeting what we do with negative exponents. So remember, if it's a positive exponent, it stays put. So it's going to be c to the first. But if it's a negative exponent, it goes on the opposite side of the division bar. So d to negative 3 is going to go down to the bottom, become d to the third. X to negative fourth is on the bottom, so it's going to go to the top. That's all we're looking for there. This one, remember, all we're doing is multiplying all of these things together. So 3 times 2, those are like terms, so we make 6. But now c squared and c to the first, when we multiply like bases, we add the exponents. So it's going to be c to the 2 plus 1, which is 3. And the same thing for d to the fourth times d. Those are like bases. So then we're going to add those exponents. 4 plus 1 is 5. Next one, we've got a power to a power here. So remember, this is to the first power. This r is to the first power. And power to powers, you're essentially going to multiply that power by all these exponents. It's going to be 3 to the third, m to the sixth, r to the third, and we can change that 3 to the third into 27. All right. Number 4, same idea, but now it's using really a combination of all questions 1 through 3. I'm going to use the power to a power first. So it's going to be 2 squared, x squared, y to the negative 6th. Now on the bottom, we'll do the same thing. So it's going to be a to the negative 2, c to the negative 3. 2 squared is 4, so I'll try to rewrite that. And now it's just a matter of moving my terms that are negative exponents. So x squared is positive, so it's going to stay. Y is going to go to the bottom, become y to the 6th. A to the negative 2 is going to flip up top, and c to the negative 3 is going to flip up top. So we're looking at something like that. Now the order, remember, does not matter of those things. It's all multiplication. Next one, a couple different ways you can do this. I'm going to let x be 0. If x is 0, that will go away, and let me y equals 2. So 0, 2 is a point that I'm going to plot. Then the next one, I'm going to let y be 0. And y is 0, and that goes away, so I get that. That's the way I think is best to graph this line. Just plot the point 0, 2, the point 3, 0. Obviously, then you're going to try to connect those. But I saw a lot of people doing this, 3y equals negative 2x plus 6, that's fine. Divide both sides by 3, you get y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. So the plus 2, remember that's your y-intercept, and that is that right there. And your slope now is down 2 to the right 3, so down 2, right 3, and you see it gives you that point there, which are the same 2 points that we used right there. Like I said, each one of those 1 point.